I don't want guests to worry that the chocolate is not sustainable or anything like that. I want them to feel that the chocolate is delicious, and then we can inform them that this chocolate is sustainably harvested with sustainable practices in a farm that's very local, and they're very well taken care of. My name is Daniel Dimla. I'm the pastry chef at Providence restaurant. The chocolate is a big project that it's hard to ignore, especially in the kitchen. Like, it's not normal for the pastry chef to be roasting their own cacao. It's not normal to be receiving kilograms of cacao. And so just it arriving, just us, the act of roasting the cacao, fuels interest. This program only exists because it's sustainable. It's grown with organic practices in a 20-acre farm, and they were buying from people that are passionate. We have a relationship with them and are not only passionate about growing it, but preserving that land and preserving that knowledge for the next generation. That's very important. And so those are the conversations as part of a community we share. The husk that is a byproduct of the cacao, it gets used up here, whether it's tea or syrup or ice cream. And then once their life as part of food is over, we use them as part of the garden. We mulch soil with the husks. It retains the water. It keeps the roots from freezing in the winter. And so when the dessert comes out, they'll explain that this is cacao from Hawaii. It's grown with organic practices. I don't want them to worry about when they're having a great time, when they're here for a special event, that the chocolate is not sustainable or anything like that. I want them to feel that it's delicious. So LA was an accident. I went to school in the Culinary Institute of America, which we call the CIA, up in Napa. As part of my externship, I went to New York. My girlfriend lives in Los Angeles. She made Los Angeles her home. As soon as I got here, I was like, oh, I hate LA. It's too sunny. I just was looking to go back to New York. But like after a week, I'm like, oh, I hate this, but I love it at the same time. And then another week later, I'm like calling my job there and I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm staying in LA. And then I just started working in the restaurant industry until I got to here in Providence. It was also by accident that I became a pastry chef. A friend of mine, she was working here at Providence and she needed help. And that's where really my journey in pastry started. The proudest thing that I can say is that every cacao that Susan and John sends us, it never leaves this building, aside from your belly or the guest's belly, or as a gift. But it stays here, becomes part of the restaurant.